Okay, Fox. We are here for a strategic mission. We need supplies for the week. Do you have your shopping list? It's all up here, Squirrel. The mental list. It is a steel trap. Nothing escapes. Oh my goodness. Cinnamon buns. Wait, was that on my mental list? Who cares? It is now. Fox, rule number 1. Never go shopping on an empty stomach. Too late. My tummy is driving the cart now. Vroom, vroom. Let's see what's next on my list. Aisle 3. I need 2 bags of walnuts. Okay, here they are. Check the price. Looks good. And into the cart. Simple. Oh wow. Look at this aisle. It glows in the dark. Into the cart. And a banana peeler, 3,000. I hate peeling bananas. Into the cart. Oh, a giant inflatable flamingo. Ah, I don't have a pool, but I might get one someday. Into the cart. Fox, did you really need the electric back scratcher? It was on sale. It was practically free. That will be 100 gold coins. Mr. Fox? 100. Hey. Can I pay you in jokes? Why did the chicken cross the road? To get the security guard, you have to put things back. I feel empty inside. And my wallet is empty. And I forgot to buy the milk. You failed the mission, Fox. You got lost in the aisles. The store is a trapped squirrel. Everything is so shiny. They tricked me. They didn't trick you. You just went in without a defense. Imagine the supermarket is a dense, wild jungle. The list is your map. It tells you exactly where to go. Without the map, you wander around looking at pretty flowers until you get eaten by the spending tiger. The spending tiger. That sounds scary. Here are the 3 rules to survive the jungle next time. Rule number 1. Write it down. Never use a mental list. Write it on paper or a phone. If it's not on the list, you don't buy it. Rule number 2. The HALT rule. Never shop when you are hungry, angry, lonely, or tired. Your brain makes bad choices when you are hungry. And rule number 3. Stick to the budget. Bring only the cash you need for the list. Leave the extra coins at home so you can't buy the inflatable flamingo. So, eat a sandwich, write a map, leave the treasure chest at home. Exactly. Smart choices happen before you enter the store, not inside it. Okay, I am making a list for tomorrow. Item 1, milk. Item 2, eggs. Item 3, a hat for the eggs. No hats, Fox. Stick to the basics. Question of the week. When you go shopping with your parents, do you help them check off items on the list? Or do you sneak candy into the cart? Be honest, I know you sneak the candy. Tell us in the comments below. If you liked this video, smash that like button and subscribe to Squirrel Fox Money. Help us raise money to buy that flamingo back. Shop smart. Buy. Wait, do I really need milk? Maybe just ice cream.